evening mga ka-learning, I will read you a bedtime story about Princess Elisa and Princess Hannah. The authors are Aina, Enriquez, and et al. Princess Elisa did not know that a witch gave her a curse when she was born. The witch was mad at her father, the king, who married the queen instead of her. The witch's curse was this: whenever Princess Elisa gets angry, it would rain very hard. Even on a sunny day, it would rain if the princess got angry. The king and queen were very worried. The princess must be kept happy every time. I hope we find the one who could be able to lift the curse, said the king. It happened that the queen was once again pregnant. Princess Elisa was very happy when her sister was born. Let's name her Hannah, she requests her father and mother. Princess Elisa loves Princess Hannah very much. Since her sister was born, she was always happy. Because of that, weather in the kingdom stayed normal, and time soon passed by. When Princess Hannah grew up, she and Princess Elisa usually played beside the lake. One time, Princess Hannah got playful. She grabbed her sister's favorite ball and threw it into the lake. Princess Elisa became angry. She became mad when a big frog took a bite at the ball. The frog took the ball to the bottom of the lake. Princess Elisa stomped her feet in anger. Princess Hannah became very scared when it suddenly started to rain. The rain poured and poured so much that the lake overflowed. Princess Elisa started to run back into the palace. Princess Hannah started to panic. The tripped and was caught by the overflowing water from the lake. "Help!" she gasped. Princess Hannah nearly drowned. Since then, she became afraid of water. The king and queen became worried when they learned why it suddenly rained hard. Since then, the king and queen separated Princess Elisa from her sister. She was placed inside a very large room. Only the king and queen were allowed to visit her. Since she was old enough, the king explained to her about the curse. You must stay here, the king told Princess Elisa. Princess Elisa became easily unhappy. Princess Hannah became easily frightened of water. Now the king and queen had to deal with two problems. One morning, a soldier brought some news. He found a mysterious hermit. The hermit can counter any curse and take away too much fear from someone's heart. The hermit was brought to the palace. The mysterious hermit cured the two sisters. The king and queen were very grateful to the hermit. Since then the lives of Princess Elisa and Princess Hannah became normal. They became happy together. The king and queen were also happy for their two children. And that's the end of our story about Princess Elisa and Princess Hannah. Mga ka-learning, God bless mo!